Okay, after the treatment, um, everything just felt so light. I found myself just smiling and happy for no reason at all. Just everything just seemed really good. The body felt good. There was no pain. Um, and emotionally, it was just a big, big change in that there was just, I don't think anything could have gotten me down because it just felt so happy. And I'm usually a pretty happy person, but that was just to me. I noticed how over the top it was. So I still had a little bit of the sensation in the or the ear shells when I had the needle in,
Yes.
but the sensation that sense of well being
Okay.
and happiness lasted probably through into the next day.
Okay, that's cool. Thank you.
You're welcome.